Welcome to La Bohème family, a trio with big dreams. I'm Roberta, and this is my partner Onur. And she is our little adventurer Luna. We are on a journey to live a life filled with freedom and unforgettable experiences. We decide to break away from the conventional lifestyle and set sail around the world in our trusty sailboat. Join us as we navigate the seas, discover new culture, and share the highs and lows of our sailing adventure. So, hit the subscribe button and let's sail together. In our last video, we faced a significant decision about the rudder of our sailboat. Do we repair it or do we build a brand new one from scratch? Well, we decided to go all in and build a brand new rudder from the ground up. As you saw in our previous video, Onur visited a local boat carpenter shop to seek some advices. The place was incredible. Not just a workshop, but also a school where experienced craftsmen pass down their knowledge of wooden boat building. With our boat and its rudder both being made of wood, it was the perfect place to get started. Bobby, the owner of the school, was incredibly kind and helpful. He took the time to explain to Onur the entire process of building a brand new rudder from scratch.
You want it to get sapali?
Sapali.
Sapali.
It's a mahogany plywood.
Okay.
Right here.
Oh, okay. 1 inch.
1 inch.
Okay.
This is only.
Okay.
You take that.
Okay.
So
How
that's
many?
Well, you're gonna need 4 sheets.
Four?
4 pieces.
4 pieces. Okay.
And you're gonna laminate it all up.
Okay.
Laminate it all up. Set it down. Cut it all out, and then ferret all down.
Okay.
Gotta go from 3.5 inches. So that's why I want 4 inches thick.
Okay.
And then you're just gonna put a center line and trace it all out, and then ferret all down to all the thicknesses there.
Like with it's going all the way this thickness.
You'll take a power planer.
Okay. Okay.
It's a time intensive
How we can stuck to each other? These ones?
epoxy glue.
Epoxy glue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Marine, do you know?
Yeah.
West
West system. Yeah, I have it. Yeah.
Wood epoxy
Okay.
saturation.
Do you want me to put like a silica inside or wood filler inside, something like that? Just epoxy glue?
Just epoxy.
Okay.
You would probably I wet it all down with epoxy, and then I put in some fillers.
Okay. Which type of fillers?
403.
Okay. Yep. Micro adhesive filler. Yeah, I have it.
Adhesive filler.
Okay.
Not 410.
Okay.
You know, but
Not
something
406.
that's really
Yeah.
gonna.
Okay.
There's something called there's micro light, but that's just fairing.
Yeah.
You want the real
403. Okay.
Additionally, Cory, the owner of the boathouse where our sailboat is currently located, is a professional carpenter. He generously offered his expertise, tools, and skills to assist Onur in crafting the new rudder. His guidance has been invaluable in this project. Without him, this work would never have been possible. So, thanks, Cory. Now, let's walk through the steps they took to build the new rudder. They started by bringing in 2 sheets of 4 x 8 feet mahogany marine plywood, which is perfect for this type of project.
Yeah, this is marine plywood. And made in France. Shape is made.
Using the old rudder as a template, they traced its shape onto the first sheet of plywood. They then smoothed out the shape on the first layer to ensure it was precise and ready for the next steps. To improve the design, they created a modification in the first layer of plywood that would allow us to easily remove the propeller and shaft in the future without having to take off the rudder again.
The shapes are drawn. This is the pattern that made.
Once satisfied with the design, using the first shape as a guide, they traced and smoothed out the same shape onto other sheets of plywood, for a total of 5 sheets. After that, they carefully sanded each plywood sheet to prepare them for the epoxy application.
You finish the pattern of the rudder. So it will be like this.
Next, they glued the layers of plywood together using epoxy, creating a solid and durable rudder.
When you finish the rudder, the first steps. Clamp it on. And we use these things. 403, epoxy, and hardware. This is the R2. And also the gloves.
After the epoxy dried, they shaped the area where the screw holes would be located. They then drilled the screw holes in the new rudder, ensuring everything lined up perfectly.
I think it's just easier to double check, make sure.
Yeah.
That's 2.5.
To facilitate the assembly, they crafted a sliding system that would help in shaping and assembling the rudder accurately.
Look at these. Thanks for Cory. Look at that.
After the rudder was fully assembled, they meticulously shaped it to achieve the final desired form. They followed this with another round of sanding to smooth out the entire surface. Finally, they prepared the rudder for fiberglass, rounding the edges and giving it one last smooth sanding to ensure it's ready for the fiberglass application.
Okay, this is the old rudder. Look at this, everything, how it is chunky and rotten. Do you see? Like everything was super bad looking. Thank God for Cory Blockhouse that he helped me with all his tools here to figure it out, to build a new one. This is the new rudder. It didn't finish. I will fiberglass on top, and it needs fiberglassing and all primer and the paint on it, but it looks amazing right now.
So, what do you think of the final result? We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you have an insight, suggestion, or just want to share your point of view, feel free to comment below. We are excited to hear from you.
Thank you for coffee. His name is Someone, mysterious supporter. Thank you for generous support, actually. Your support is helping us a lot. We are still forwarding our goal. I know it is not like a best video to see on the sailboat. I hope we will soon sail and make nicer videos for you guys. And we need your support, actually. Thank you. Thank you for coffee.
A huge thank you to our generous supporter. We don't know your name, but we want you to know how much we appreciate your kindness. So thank you so much from the bottom of our heart. Thank you for buying us so much coffee. Yes, like Onur said, we are sorry that we're not showing the best video, that we are sailing in a tropical island or around the Mediterranean, but we hope we can do it soon, and definitely your support will help us a lot. So if anyone else feel like supporting what we do, you can scan the QR code or use the link. Your support means everything to us, and we truly appreciate it. Thank you. Grazie.
A tutti.